I'm Timmermans. I'm currently working in Brunsbüttel, Germany as a second utilities manager over there, and in the past I was operational expert in Antwerp, and there I frequently use TrendMiner to analyze our process problems and to look and to define new possibilities. Once you understand how powerful such a tool is, it's amazing to use TrendMiner. The first use case where I really understand the powerfulness of data analytics was a use case where we had a problem in a really complex system, and then it's really difficult to find correlations between different actors. And TrendMiner made it possible to find this cause quite quickly. In the past, you should have been looking throughout your historical data for hours, let's say, to find possible similarities. But with a similarity search, it was really fast, really helpful, really easy. As a company, you can get a certain efficiency and effectiveness in your plant. But at a certain moment, you will reach your limits, and then you need something more. And for me, that something more is data analytics. And in this case, TrendMiner can really help you.